Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this very delicious split pea soup. So to start off, I am taking 1 cup of vegetable broth and putting that in a pot, and I'm putting some carrots, celery, and onion in there, and we are just going to let these cook for about 5 to 10 minutes on a medium heat until all of the veggie broth has been absorbed and evaporated. Now I'm going to add in 4 cups of water. You can also use veggie broth, whatever you prefer. And then I'm adding in split peas, and I soak these split peas for about an hour. It helps them to have less cooking time, and we're just gonna mix this all up and just let them cook. Split peas are so awesome for you. They're packed with protein, fiber, nutrients. They're great. So I'm adding 2 bay leaves to this, and then some garlic powder, onion powder, some thyme, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of salt, and just gonna mix that all up. And you just let this cook for about 30 minutes on a medium-low heat. And if you see that there's too much water getting cooked out, you can add in another cup of water. And I'm just scraping off some of this foamy stuff on top. You can do it if you want, you don't have to, doesn't matter. So like I said, just gonna let this cook until split peas are soft. While that's cooking, I am taking a 1/4 cup of water and adding 1/2 cup of soaked cashews, and I'm blending this up to make a cashew cream. I recently had split pea soup with cashew cream in it, and it was delicious. I don't know why I never thought to do this. I'm just adding a little more water here to the blender because I felt like it needed it just to make this really nice and smooth. But I highly suggest you do this if you are not allergic to nuts. It's so good. So here you can see the split peas have broken down. So I'm going to remove the bay leaves from my mixture, and I'm scooping out about 3.5 cups of the carrot split pea mixture, and I'm going to blend this. You can scoop out as much or as little as you like. I like there to be some texture to it still, and I'm just popping that into the blender, and I'm going to blend it again. I took the cashew cream out just because I figured, I wanted to, so you can do whatever you like. So I'm going to pop in this blended puree now back into the pot, and I'm going to mix it together with the non-blended peas. And then we're going to add in the cashew cream as well. If you feel like this is too thick, you can always add in more water and veggie broth. It just totally depends on preference and how thick you like it. I did add in about another 1/2 cup of water. The peas just really thicken everything a lot, so you just kind of have to keep adjusting and just doing things to your preference. But it's so easy to make this soup. So I'm just mixing this up, and then I'm going to add in my cashew cream. And you can also use an immersion blender if you have that. You don't have to blend it at all. You can blend all of it up. It's really up to you, whatever you like. And then I'm just adding in some lemon juice, a little bit of red pepper flakes, because you guys know I love that little bit of spicy in there. And the lemon just adds that beautiful acidity and brightens the whole dish. And I'm adding in a little bit more salt. You just want to add salt to your preference. I've started out with a 1/4 teaspoon. You're probably going to need to add more. Just give it a taste and whatnot. So I'm just mixing this all up, giving it one final taste just to make sure, and it tastes delicious. So I'm good with how it is. I'm going to plate this up, and I just wanted to make it look really pretty, so I added some fresh parsley on top, a piece of lemon, some more red pepper flakes, a little bit of that cashew cream, sesame seeds, even though we didn't even use sesame seeds. I just really wanted to make this look very pretty and fancy, some black pepper and salt, and that's it. This soup is so good. It's so delicious. As always, full recipes down below and on my blog. I highly encourage you to make this. Super easy, super delicious, and I know you guys are gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.